Dawla, I'm not saying dawla. Dawla, da da da, not da 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 da, da da da, not da da da, da da da, okay? In this video, we're going to talk about the emphatic letters in Arabic. This video will help you a lot because we get a lot of questions about these. The sin, the sad, the ta, the ta. I'm going to walk you through all this. Yalla. So first of all, we have, in Arabic, you need to understand, we have letters that you already can pronounce in English, that you're already able to pronounce in English, like the sin, which is the S, the dal, which is the D, the ta, which is the T, Val, which is TH, but like in the, okay? The, not three, TH like in the, or there, okay? Then we have these emphatic letters where we stress or make the regular letters heavier. For example, we have the sin, this becomes sod, not sa, so, sa, so, 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 okay? We have the dal, regular, but we have the da, 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 da. It's stronger, it's heavier, it's meaner a little bit. So da, da, okay? Ta, 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 dhal, dha. This is how the letters sound, okay? This is very important because this will help you pronounce words better, at the same time help you with comprehension, okay? A lot of beginners and even more advanced students, they have trouble capturing these sounds, which is perfectly fine because at the beginning these might be very subtle. But I want to point them out for you to the best of my ability and show you kind of an exaggerated form of each, and what if you kind of mispronounce it using the other word, so that you have an idea of how these words sound, these letters sound, okay? So regular letter, again, sin, this is the letter sin, S. We have the word sitta, or sittin, ami, this means six, sitta, regular sa. If I were to pronounce this using the emphatic, this would be sutta, 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 but it's not sutta, it's sitta, sitta, it's soft, it's regular. Same thing here, masjid, not masjid, masjid, no, masjid, no, it's not a sa, it's a sa, masjid, masjid. Now, comparing this with the heavier emphatic letter, the sad, sa, صحة, صحة, health, as-صحة, not as-صحة, as-صحة, that's soft. It's not the correct pronunciation. It's a heavy one. As-صحة, صوت, صوت, sound. As-صحة, health, صوت, sound. Okay, صوت, sound, not صوت. Try to pay attention. I'm exaggerating the other way around, or giving you the wrong. If we were to pronounce with a sin, which is the wrong pronunciation, how it would sound? It would sound like صوت. It's not صوت. It's صوت. Salt, salt, salt. I can't even say salt without like smiling, you know, because it's so cute and cute, but it's wrong, okay? It's not salt, salt. But this is how we differentiate people that have been studying for a while and people that are new. And by new, I mean even people that have been studying a year or 2 years still struggle with this. But it's very important to, at the beginning, try your best to pay attention to these. If you don't master them, it's okay, but you're as long as you're aware of them, okay? This is what I tell students. Be aware of them, and then later work on the fine-tuning. Let's go to the dal. This is regular. D, dawa, medicine, dawla, nation. Dawa, medicine, dawla, nation. I'm not saying dawa, dawa. No, not dawa. Dawa, it's a soft one. It's a regular. Dawa, dawla. I'm not saying dawla. Dawla, da da da. Not da 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 da. Not da 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 da. Okay, da da. Okay, so not dawla, dawla. Okay, now moving to the dad here. Dad, ضعيف, da da da, ضعيف, not ضعيف, da 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 da, not da da da, da da da, ضعيف. This means weak or skinny. ضيف, this means guest. ضيف, not deaf, deaf. And again, this is how you identify someone that's maybe either new to learning, or someone that's Arab living abroad, or just a foreigner speaking Arabic. This is one of the main ways we identify from pronunciation. If someone looks like they're from the Middle East, but they're originally from the Middle East, but they mispronouncing these, you know this person did not grow up in the Middle East, okay? Same thing if you have like someone not from the Middle East but grew up in the Middle East, they will have these mastered, as long as they've been to Arabic schools that teach Arabic curriculum. Anyway, what I want to tell you, da, okay, da, this is da, daif, not daif, da, not da, daif. Now the ta, this is a T, the letter T, regular, same thing you have in English. Tahaddi, tahaddi, challenge, this means challenge. Tahaddi, tamir, this means dates, okay, dates, tamir. Ta, talab, this means an order, yeah, or a form. عبي طلب, fill out the form. أو طبعا, of course. Here we have طبعا, not تبعا. تبعا, not طبعا. That sounds too cute and it's incorrect. Not طبعا, طبعا, طبعا. The, ذكي. This is the regular th. You already know how to say this if you speak English from the or there, or other words as well. So ذكي, smart, ذكر, male, the versus the ظرف, which is circumstance or envelope, ظلم, which is injustice, the ظلم. Okay, not ظلم. It's too wrong. ظلم, no, not ظلم. the. So practice these letters. You could recreate with practice. However, you have the actual tough letters that do not exist in English, which are the ayn, things like the ayn, the qaf, the ha, the kha. I get it if you cannot pronounce these. These do not exist. You don't have kind of something to compare with. However, this you have something to compare with. You have the, you know how to pronounce, and then you say the, heavier pronunciation. You have ta and you have ta. You have da and you have da. You have sa and you have sa. Okay? Hopefully this has helped you a little bit. Again, don't sweat it too much. It's okay if you have not mastered these, or if you still have trouble identifying them. That's perfectly fine. Just do your best to kind of identify the differences when you can. When someone uses the sad, try to be like, okay, was that a sad? Or someone who uses the S sound, you're not sure if it's a sin or a sad. Ask yourself, okay, what could have been? And don't be shy, ask the person, is that spelled with a sin or with a sad? Same thing, da. And slowly, as you become more aware, you're going to be able to master this. Inshallah, God willing, you will. Don't worry. But either way, until then, you can speak and you can understand, which is amazing. So this video is meant for complete beginners and for people that have been studying. So I'm just giving you a quick pep talk, telling you everything's going to be all right. You're going to be good. You're doing amazing. It's just how we want to, if you're a more advanced student, we want to fine-tune things. We want to take it to the next level. This will help you take it to the next level when it comes to pronunciation and comprehension. Hope that helped. Make sure to check out the free mini course if you're brand new to Arabic. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. Don't forget to subscribe and like. A lot of you that watch these videos, by the way, are not subscribers. A huge percent of you. So please make sure to subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps me and my team come up with content, make videos, edit videos, and post videos for you, and keep the dream alive. So if you can subscribe, please. It's just a click of a button. If you're signed out, which is actually the case with a lot of people, sign in. It will take you like less than 20 seconds. Sign in, subscribe. Thank you very much. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.